Welcome back to a new episode of Separate and Cypher's channel. Today we're going to be talking about, obviously, Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's a T-Rex day. And we have the Dominion and the original Jurassic World right here. And we're going to be unboxing the Dino Trackers Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah, we're going to prepare it. So let's check the box. There you go. Alright, we already have this too, but we didn't make a review about this Heavisaur yet. It comes with a tracking gear. This is the first T-Rex that came with it. And it is has a desert theme. Okay. Nice color here. Let's check it out. Let's open it up. Alright. Okay, we got the tail out. There's the tail. Alright, I think the foot is stuck again. Okay, let's check it out. Okay. Yep. Okay, we got something Cypher fooling around in the background. Alright, we got it out. Now let's connect the tail. Alright, you hear that click? Means good to go. Let's fix the foot. Alright, it has a nice pale orange color with an orange eye right there. So when you push the button, it goes. So it goes random left or right. So when you push it, see? There we go. Let's compare the sizing now. I think it's the same as the original, but obviously the Dominion is way bigger because you can see the head is ginormous. Yeah, definitely Dominion is way bigger. Look at the head of that. So yeah, Dominion is way bigger. It has a hard shell right there, hard shell. So yeah, this is a pretty neat collection to our collection there. So you can see the mouth, there's no hole anymore. Now let's check the tracking gear. Alright, we got the tracking gear. We're gonna put it on. How does this work? I don't know. Okay. Is it that way? Okay, how does this work? Let's see. Alright, so it is stretchable. Okay, so there you go. So it will look like this, I believe. Yeah. And I'm sure that's a laser pointer right there. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. Yeah. So there you have it for today then. Our T-Rex collection. Now there will be links on the description on the bottom. If you click that, it will take you to other T-Rex videos. So yeah, there you have it for today. I'd like to say again, thank you for the likes and for the subscription. Cheers guys, have a great day.